Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get right into it. So today I will be doing the lazy girl method once again, and now I'm just gonna start by pushing back my cuticles.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
And then next I'm taking my needle drill bit, going around the cuticles to remove any excess dead skin.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Then next I'm taking my circle cuticle drill bit, going on the cuticle, and this is a great alternative if you don't want to use cuticle nippers, because I know sometimes you can cut yourself, so this is a great way to do it.
I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat.
And once I finish doing that, I'm just taking a sanding band and removing the shine from my natural nails.
Go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Next I'm taking this Elmer's school glue and using it as a peel off base coat, applying a thin layer and then repeating it, doing a second layer, letting it dry in between.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
I applied the second layer off camera, and then next I'm going in with these Saviland full cover nail tips. Once I've found the sizes, I'm just going in with the base coat from the Polygel kit that I'm using. I will link everything that I use below, and I'm just putting a base coat over all my nails and curing for 30 seconds. Once I let that cure, I'm taking this almost like a dark peachy color and just filling the nail tips. I'm using 70% alcohol as my slip solution, and I'm just rubbing that into the nail. And doing this method, you don't need a lot of polygel. I used too much for the pinky nail. This nail was kind of small, so once I put it on, it did spill a little from under my nails when I pressed it down, but I feel like that works best for me if I kind of use a little bit more than I need to, and then push it down and wipe off the excess near my cuticle before I get ready to cure it. Once I finish filling the nail tip how I would like, I just press it down on my nail, cleaning up around the cuticle area, and then curing in my nail lamp for a minute. just doing the same step for all of the nails. I'm using the same color for all of them, and yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch because it is very repetitive and I don't want to talk too much.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
These are how the nails are looking so far. And then next, I'm just going to take the nail file that came in the kit and just shape up the nail. And also remove the polygel from the sides and the cuticle that came from under the nail once I pressed it down.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
using a hair file, I'm just taking my ceramic drill bit and going right around the cuticle just in case I miss any that's left on the skin. And once I finish doing that, these are how the nails are looking so far. And then next I'm just going in with this gold tape stuff, and I will just put it on the nails, vertical and horizontally, and create a design with it. When I was applying the gold things, I realized that it wasn't sticking as much as it should, so I just applied some top coat. I kind of flash cured it and then made it sticky, and then went from there.
We'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
I also did this design on my ring finger as well. And then I'm just taking my gold rhinestones and just putting 3 on the right side of my nails. I put down a top coat and then I put them on, and then I will just cure them so that they stay in place. This is what the design looked like, and then I'm just taking the top coat that came in the kit and just painting a layer over all the nails, and then curing in my nail lamp for a minute.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
And then once I cured them, I'm just applying some cuticle oils to my cuticles. And once all of that is done, these are how the nails turn out. This look is so simple, yet it is so pretty. And as always, if you have made it this far, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.